January 15, 2020. Man, it's pretty close to $600 and 12 to 15 hours of time to get to this point. 26 horsepower. Husqvarna, Craftsman, whatever you want to call them. Kohler. I bought Craftsman mowers with Briggs and Strattons and stuff. I've also had a couple Kohlers. A little leery on this one. It's a rough one. $600. That's what I got into it pretty much. 12, 15 hours wear and tear on my vehicles and my tools. It's rough. This is a $3,500 mower, give or take $100. Gotta pay taxes on these things. That's my wife's home. That's my blazer. That's my dog right there barking. Anyway, we still got a couple more hours to go. We're waiting on some parts. Got some bearings coming, but the blades look pretty good on it. Got this pulley coming, that pulley coming, that pulley coming. That one broke free. Didn't even have a greaser in it. Dug a wasp mud dauber nest out of that hole. This one turns pretty good. (2013) GT 6000. Yeah, man, I'm hoping the engine ain't burned up. I don't know what was in it. Might have been cooking oil.